Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and in this video I'll be sharing with you how to get free products without you being a blogger, influencer, or a YouTuber. I love free products, so as soon as I heard that I was like, what? Sign me up please. Okay, if you want to know what am I talking about, don't forget to hit that subscribe button down there and let's start this video. So there's a company called Influencer that have over 5.1 million members that review products. They have a community of reviewers that gives honest product reviews. Basically, if you need a second opinion before you buying any products, you can go to Influencer and read a lot of reviews. And they have different categories too. They have beauty products, skincare, pets, cleaning supplies, you name it, they have it. So you can go to their website or their app, whichever you prefer, and enable for you to get free products, you need to sign up. They're gonna ask you basic questions, ask you to link your different social medias. For me, I just linked my Instagram. For example, if you wanna link your Friendster. That's old. I mean, Facebook account, YouTube, Twitter, whatever social media you have, you can link it. But for me, I just linked my Instagram account. And they even asked me how many household do I have. Probably in a review purposes, because if they will send you a product and then you have a lot of people to share with, that's additional people for them. So after signing up, I suggest that you start reviewing different categories. I think it's called snap categories. And like what I said, they have skincare, beauty products, cleaning supplies, pet, and a lot of things. Just choose whatever category that you think you will need. Like for example, if you're in a beauty category, you can just going on and on and on and review products there, whatever you used in the past few years. And then for example, you're a mom, you love cleaning the house. You can go to the cleaning and then you can just review a lot of products that you already used. And they encourage you to be honest with your reviews. They will tell you tell us your honest review, whether it's good or bad. Because they want to help other people in deciding which is the best foundation, which is the best cleaning supplies, which is the best pet leash or something. So you're not gonna waste a lot of money trying a lot of things. And for improvement purposes too, for the companies. And after you reviewed a bunch of products that you already used, and I think you start unlocking badges. They have badge in your account. It's kind of below your profile picture. There's badges there, and then you will unlock different badges. For example, skincare badge or cleaning badge. I don't know what is the other ones. I think I only have 3 badges. And I think the more badges you open, the more likely that they will send you free products, because they will send you free products in return for them for you to review the product that they send it to you, if that makes sense. But don't get me wrong, I only have 3 badges when they send me the free product. So what I did, I reviewed products as much as I can in a different categories as well. And I think after 3 weeks or probably about a month, and then they emailed me to do surveys, and you need to fill up the survey and then submit it to them. And then I think that's kind of the screening to see if you fit with the product that they're giving away, because they have different products that they're giving away, and different promotions. For example, specific box, they have beauty product, specific boxes for cleaning, pets, skincare, or mix and match. And after that survey, probably 2 days or 3 at least, they emailed me back, and then they said that I'm probably one of thousands of people who they will send VOXBOX. And the name of the box that they're gonna send it to is VOXBOX. They're sending different VOXBOX in a different categories too. And I think 5 to 6 business days I received the VOXBOX, and it looks like this. It says influencer on the top, and then when you open it, looks like this. I already removed the fillers and everything, so it's kind of clean looking. If I'm gonna show it to you. So in this one, I have the Slay All Day VOXBOX. And they have like different VOXBOX every like month, I think, or every promotion that they have. And at the back of this card, it gives you the different products that's in the box, and then how to use it, and then how much is the retail price. So for example, this, let's get this one product, BIOEFFECT EGF Serum. So this is a sample one, like a travel size. So for this small travel size, 3 ml, it's $32. And for the full size of this product, it's value $160 for 15 ml. That's expensive. And it includes how this product works. It says a powerful age-defying serum that visibly minimizes fine lines and wrinkles, rejuvenates the skin complexion, and restores its youthful radiance, as well as delivering hydration. So I'm gonna show you this product. It's just like so small. Look at it. So obviously it's already gone because I used it. And guys, this product is a miracle in a bottle. Like whatever they said in the description, it's true. So I have this product. I received 4 products. Some are sample size and some are like the regular size. And cheeky stamps. I'm gonna show it to you. It looks like this. So when you open it, it pops out, and then I already used it. And it's a sponge that you can like just put it on your cheeks, and then the tint is on the bottom of it, and then you just like press it, and then you stamp it. Stamp. And then put it back, and then put this one back, and then that's it. That's like your on-the-go blush. And then I have TATCHA lip balm. This is $30, guys. And this one is so cool. I already used it too. There's a gold spun. Did I say it right? And the 4th one, it's a shampoo and conditioner. It's the AVEDA Cherry Almond Softening Shampoo. And it's in the travel size container. So I have shampoo and conditioner, and I already used it, and oh my god, I love that shampoo. It's so thick and rich. Like, you can tell that it's a great quality because it's not running. Like for example, other shampoos and conditioner out there, if you put it on your palm, it will run. It's like kind of like runny, but that one is so thick. I love it. And I tried it for a week and I saw results. And after that, you just go to the website or an app and then review the product. And to get started, number 1, log into your influencer profile on the app. Number 2, start trying your Slay All Day VOXBOX products, whatever you received. Number 3, post on social using hashtag Slay All Day VOXBOX. And they encourage you to take pictures with the product or using the product and upload it on your social media. And whatever you post on social media, you need to disclose that it's a complimentary product. Don't forget that. And that's it. That's how you get free products. And I hope this video is helpful. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in my next video.